Hello viewers, welcome to my channel. In this video you can enjoy a beautiful design about hand embroidery and crochet, so you can easily get an idea about this video. Hand embroidery is a form of art that allows you to create intricate and detailed design using threads as your medium. This can be a fulfilling outlet for your artistic expression. It is home-based business for those interested in entrepreneurship. Hand embroidery can be a viable source of income. You can sell your embroidered creations online, at craft fairs, or through other events. Overall, hand embroidery offers a range of physical, mental, and emotional benefits, making it a rewarding and enjoyable craft to pursue. Some different titles that can be used for hand embroidery, but some popular ones include floral embroidery, animal embroidery, sensory embroidery, abstract embroidery, lettering embroidery. So we can discuss in this video lettering embroidery. This type of embroidery features words or phrases. It can be done in a variety of fonts and styles, and it can be used to create personalized gifts or home decor. The title of a hand embroidery piece can be anything that the artist chooses. It can be a descriptive title like floral embroidery or animal embroidery. The title should reflect the content of the embroidery piece and the artist's personal style. So, thanks for watching. Enjoy this video. Please like, subscribe, and share this channel.